You guys ready to start the day? I am, because we're gonna go to a pretty big car meet, I'm pretty sure, and it's a G and Z one. So, I mean, all cars are gonna be there, but mostly G's and Z's. Start her up. It's so cold right now. Well, it's like 50 or 60, but yeah. Clutch is still acting up, so I have to drive 40 miles. That's pretty far. I only have half tank. Let's see how it goes. I got my smoothie and coconut water right here, ready to go. I'm gonna put my lip on too. Now it's time to get out my driveway, which is the worst part of this. Look at that freaking S13. Damn. Holy crap. Looks dope. You need to get the lip now. Time to screw this in, so we need to make sure it's seated right. I think that's good. And now I just screw it in, just to make sure it stays on. But these holes are starting to get kind of worn out because I keep on screwing them in and out, and they will start to not hold that well anymore. I will do the same for the other side. The lip is officially on now, and I sit pretty low. Time for that long ass drive. I'm probably like 2.5 fingers off the ground, which is pretty crazy. Of course it's raining, but hopefully not a lot. We'll see. Well, it started raining, and yeah, wow. We are close, guys, so I'm thinking it's that parking lot over there, but the Great Mall's over there, so I think I'm gonna go that way. These speed bumps are huge. Oh my god, that was horrible. Another one. God. Oh my god, these speed bumps are killing me. Here we are, and I'm not going through that last. Okay, we're here. Oh my god, that took forever. Alright, I have my wheels. I'm like parked crooked. On purpose though. This is how I'm parked. A lot of people here. This is David. It's back up and running?
Yeah.
Damn. So we're here at the meet, and I met a subscriber. This is his G. Ken, right?
Yeah.
What's up?
On the side, follow me on Ty's channel. Yeah!
Oh.
Kenny G.
All right, here. Follow him.
I'll touch the center.
Look at that.
You haven't done your center?
The stretch is amazing.
I have another one.
Oh my god. You're literally on the ground now.
I know.
Look at this Z. Holy crap. Oh. What the hell? Look at that wang. These are also wheels that I was thinking of getting.
And he goes, I don't need it anymore, so he gave it to me just. Yeah. He gave it to me, and because he had an extra one.
Look how low balance, oh my god.
I don't know where the
Goals.
I have a right there. It's still molded, but they just look at
Oh!
it's completely done. Yeah. So this is about the right height.
S13s. Oh! My god! Dude, what the hell? That's dope. He had battles in the back. Dope. Ooh. Oh my god. Okay, look at this. Oh! No balls, won't do it right now. Just kidding. Oh my god.
Hold it. Actually, I could do it. I could
Cut my finger out and cry.
Watch your
You gotta have like, you gotta go like that. Go slow.
Oh god.
Go fast.
Oh, yeah.
Go fast. Yeah. Hopefully we'll have that.
So, I've had more subscribers. What's your name?
Junior?
Junior, I'm Tyler.
GT. I got my G35 with red mirrors. Right there, you see it?
Oh, yeah,
Same color. That's pretty badass, dude.
Tyler, nice to meet you. Training. Oh no. What do we do?
What are you doing?
Wear a jacket.
Maybe go in the car. I'm going in my car. It's pouring. Everyone is going crazy. Yeah, it's like pouring out here, so everyone's revving too. But look at all of those people out there. I'm at 2 subscribers, which is awesome. Hey, at least we all get a free car wash, and yeah, people are just chilling in their cars, which is awesome. Where's everyone going? I didn't think it was gonna rain, so I didn't bring a jacket. I have an extra one in my car, but it's not like a rain jacket. I should have known, but yeah, this is an awesome car meet. Happened in the rain, which is cool. And I think it stopped. Wait, I wanna see how your window works. I wanna show them. That's really funny.
Oh shit.
That's not that slow though. That's good. Oh, oh what? So loud.
Agency power.
Now it's sunny and raining. What the hell?
Hey, you're gonna fall.
Man. GoPro mount. Damn. This is what I would have gotten if I didn't get the G. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh god. GTR. What the hell? This is a weird color.
It's white at night.
Subi thing.
They came in.
Oh my god.
Tyler.
240 line. Oh. My cousin Brandon would love these wheels. These are VSK.
I shoot a lot of them.
But I like the lazy eye in front.
The SS.
I like how it like sits down. Oh my god. Love the slip. This is the subscribers G. Ken. He's gonna air up. I wanna see it. Whoa. That's good. Lawrence is leaving. Ooh, I wanna hear it. That's loud. Oh my god. Oh, GTR's leaving. GTR's leaving. Neymar's here. Oh my god! Over there! Everyone's leaving! There's so many cars! See? I am shivering right now. I think everyone's going down to the downstairs, so I'm probably gonna do that soon. Snispo. Look at Bao just sitting there. What is he doing? Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Everyone left because there's a storm coming. Only Bao and me and a couple people up there, and I'm shivering and I should get inside now. What's up? Oh! My friend Eduardo's here. Oh no. People are probably gonna get kicked out. Damn! Oh my god. Look at this. Oh! That's it. Oh my god. I think his is one of the cleanest. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh, there's hail! Wait. Yeah, there's hail! No! How am I supposed to drive home? Oh no! Look at that! Oh! My ears! He's leaving. Look at that sunset! Oh crap! Heading home now. It's wet. Made it to the gas station, and I'm gonna take off my lip before I go home. And let's see. No chipping. It's good. Man. All done. Okay, I need to put it away. Oh my god. Look at how dirty my wheels are. Okay. This is probably the most dirty it's been ever.
Woodysproduce. What's fresher?
So this is the damage so far. That's alright. This side's fine. Thankfully no chipping. Oh wait, there's chipping. God damn it. But hopefully it doesn't spread. It might, but we'll see. Okay, so the lip is off. I think that's pretty much all for this video. It's just a cool meet. Got to see old people, new people, and that's the amazing thing about car meets. You get to meet so many people, and I think that's all. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.